This incredible method using Google can make you money passively. The only work that you have to put in is setting it all up, and then the money will just come trickling in after. Today, I will show you how you can use Google and affiliate marketing to get paid $300 again and again with no skills or previous experience, and no matter where you're coming from, because this does actually work worldwide. Just be sure to watch all the way through this tutorial so that you don't miss an important step, as I'll be breaking everything down. If today's method sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get into it. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. As you've all heard me today, I have a way for you to get paid using affiliate marketing and Google. And right off the bat, this doesn't involve any of those affiliate marketplaces you've heard of, like Digistore, ClickBank, CPA Lead, CPA Grip, and others. It's a very different strategy than that, actually. The very first site you want to head over to now is one called clickmeter.com. Since most of you have never heard of this site before, let me explain really quickly what it is. Basically, this is a tool for website and business owners, and what it's being used for is for providing statistics on their ads. So, say you have some website and you want to know how many people click on specific ads, how many of those people make a purchase. With that knowledge, you could potentially optimize your website more to get paid more from ad revenue. And this is where ClickMeter comes in. As it says on the homepage here, monitor, compare, and optimize all your marketing links in one place to increase the conversion rate. For those of you who don't know, a conversion rate is the percentage of people who click on your link, go to the sales page, and make a purchase. And so, just like I said a minute ago, this tool in essence helps website owners make more money. Now, does this mean that you are here to pay for this website or whatever? Absolutely not. You need a website for that at the very least, and I'm guessing that if you're watching this video, you don't own one. So, no, you won't be paying for this website whatsoever. That, of course, begs the question, what are you doing here? Well, some of you could have guessed by now that we are here to promote this site as an affiliate. And so what I need you to do when you come over here to clickmeter.com is scroll down to the very bottom of the website, and there you'll be able to find affiliate program, and you want to now click on that so you can access their affiliate page. And promoting this website as an affiliate has some insane benefits for you guys. To start things off, you can see the commissions are up to 90%. For any of you who've been involved with affiliate marketing before, you know that this is literally insane. If you go over to Google, you'd find the average commission range from 20 to 30%. Meanwhile, here's this website here offering a huge fat 90%. So long story short, they will pay you as much as 3 times more than your average website for referring people to them. If you go over to the pricing section, you'd also be able to estimate how much you'll get paid depending on which plan someone decides to go for. If someone decides to pay them $30, you'd receive like $27 or so. If someone pays them $100, you'd earn $90. And in the rare case that someone actually pays them $360, you can expect to earn over $300 per single person that you've referred to this website. So I think you all can now see the sheer potential this has to get you paid big time. Another thing that's just as important is the nature of the website. As I said before, this site helps website owners make more money from their ads. This in turn means that website owners would want to use this site for the long term, so they can earn more money obviously, so you don't have to refer too many people here to make a load of money. You just need like 20 people that you've referred to use this site to make money in passive income again and again. And this is yet another feature that makes the site perfect for affiliates. Last thing I wanted to show you that you can see in the frequently asked questions section down here is that this site does actually work worldwide. And they say here as well, you can sign up for our program from most countries. So to top it off, this site is also nearly worldwide available with most countries accepted, and not just your regular ones like the US, UK, and others. And so what you want to do now, guys, is sign up to this site's affiliate program. To do so, you first click on the Sign Up button right here. Then on the following page, you'll have to type in all of your info, starting with the basics, your username, country, and password. And then you'll click on Next Step here, and you'll go ahead and type in more information about yourself, which I won't cover so as to not prolong this video. The important thing left to do now, though, is to actually get traffic to your affiliate link once you've signed up. Great commissions and a great website to promote as an affiliate in general doesn't mean anything if you don't bring anyone to the website. So how can you do it? While there are many ways out there, in this tutorial I will show you a rather unique one through the use of Google.com. So this is where Google comes into play finally. What you'll want to do on Google now may seem weird, but stick with me for a bit and you'll understand everything. What you'll want to do basically is search for a business in a particular town or city, and it can be any business located anywhere. Just as an example, I typed in New York gyms. You can perhaps type in New York coffee shops, Los Angeles restaurants. You can search for some business in the UK, so it doesn't have to be the US in particular. So literally any business and any town or city will do. The only requirement here is that the said business has a website. But since most businesses nowadays do, this shouldn't limit you in any way whatsoever. Anyways, what you now want to do is scroll down a bit on Google and you'll be able to see more of the businesses in the location you typed in. And to now see all of them, just click right here. This will now not only show you all of these businesses, but you'll also find that you can access their websites as well. And as you all know by now, ClickMeter helps website owners make more money. So this is where it all kind of comes together. What you will essentially want to do now is contact all of these website owners and promote ClickMeter to them. Tell them how much money they can make from the platform and that it's the best way for them to grow their business. And while most people won't respond to your message, remember that you only need a handful to do so for you to make a lot of money online. And by the way, for the contacts details, you can find them on these websites most of the time at the top or bottom of the page. You want to look for their email, but if you can't find it, it's no big deal to contact them via Instagram or some of their other social media accounts. Point being here, guys, thanks to the fact that with Google, you can find an infinite number of businesses located all over the globe, you can in turn find an infinite number of website owners, all of whom would get value out of a site like ClickMeter.com. And thanks to Google, you can literally contact thousands of people, meaning that less than 1% of them signing up to the website would already make you thousands of dollars online, and in pure passive income too. If you enjoyed this video and you got value out of it, then be sure you leave a like down below. Comment any thoughts and questions, subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on, and I'll see you soon.